Hi everyone, today is February 14th and we've had our salmon eggs for 34 days. Our salmon are looking so different today. They are really developing and growing and moving more around the tank. I'll try and show you a little bit more of that as I move through the video. In our last video, I asked if you remembered what type of salmon these are, and I wondered how many eggs a female salmon lays. So these are chum salmon, and the eggs we got are provided by the Suquamish tribe's Grover's Creek Fish Hatchery, which is in Indianola. Female chum salmon lay about 3,000 eggs. Oh, we've got one salmon that's going up the side there. So chum salmon lay about 3,000 eggs, and these are the type of salmon we see in most of our Kitsap County streams. They spawn in the lower parts of the streams and rivers, and they swim downstream not too long after they become fry. Coho salmon we also see in Kitsap County streams. The female lays about the same amount as a chum salmon, about 3,000 eggs, but coho swim further upstream than chum do when they're spawning, and they live in the fresh water of the stream for about a year or two before they migrate to saltwater. Chinook salmon are the largest Pacific salmon, and that female lays over 5,000 eggs. They are usually found in larger rivers because they're such a large fish. And in Kitsap County, we have hatchery Chinook that do return to Gorst Creek, Grover's Creek, and Dogfish Creeks. And they also use our shorelines. That's a really important part for them when they're young. Pink and sockeye salmon are the last two types of Pacific salmon, and they are not seen as much in Kitsap streams, but they do use our shorelines, and they're seen in other streams and rivers all around Puget Sound. So, as I said, our salmon have changed a lot. What are some of the biggest differences that you've noticed? I'll try and zoom in a little bit here. You see that one that's moving a lot, going up and down. There's a couple more that are swimming around. I'm going to come around. The reflection's a little hard to get good video from the front, but I'm going to try that here. Let's see. More salmon in the back there behind the airstone that are trying to swim up and down a little bit. And we have a few right here by the rocks. So next time, we'll take a closer look at one of these salmon and see how they've changed.